Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming measurements and safety. This matters because a wrong cut ruins the frame. Put on gloves and glasses, then remove screws from interior trim. Once done, score the glazing compound with a utility knife. Follow the bead around the glass. Use a putty knife to separate loosened compound. Keep firm, steady pressure so you don't crack adjacent panes. Apply suction cups to the glass now, and verify the glass is free at the corners before lifting to avoid sudden breaks. Once the perimeter is scored and initial compound removed, use an oscillating tool or thin hook blade to cut remaining sealant. Go slowly. You should work from the top center toward the edges to reduce stress. This prevents chipping the frame. Have a second person hold the outside of the pane or brace the glass using suction handles if it weighs more than about 10 kg. Keep a container nearby for broken shards, then lift the glass straight out, avoiding twisting motions that can jam the frame. With the glass out, clear the frame of old putty, rust, and glazing points. A wire brush and scraper work well. Measure and confirm the opening is square and level before fitting the exhaust fan because gaps cause leaks and vibration. If the glass cracked during removal, stabilize the shards, then cover the opening with glazing tape or heavy plastic as a temporary fix. Do not proceed with power tools. Finally, apply a continuous 3 to 5 mm bead of sealant and test the fit before final fastening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.